AI is advancing faster than ever, and with it comes a big question. Will automation take our jobs? Where some see AI as a powerful tool for innovation, while others fear it could replace human workers entirely. But is this fear really justified? In today's video, we'll break down how AI is reshaping the job market, which industries are most at risk, and most importantly, how you can stay ahead in this rapidly changing world. Welcome to 01 Human. My name is Niranjan and let's begin. So how exactly is AI replacing jobs? And could your job be next? Well, AI isn't just powering your voice assistants or recommending what to watch next on Netflix. It's transforming entire industries faster than most people realize. To understand it better, let's take a look at where automation is already making its mark. Remember those massive assembly lines packed with workers? Today, many of these jobs are being done by robots, faster, cheaper, and with fewer mistakes. Not to mention that these AI employees do not need days off. They do not ask for a raise and they do not have rights. They work 24/7 with faster and better results. Companies like Tesla are already using AI-powered machines to build cars with precision that humans just cannot match. Now, something that you yourself have experienced lately. Ever messaged customer support and got an instant reply? Chances are you were talking to an AI. Chatbots and automated voice assistants are already answering queries 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break. And if you've used self-checkout or seen those burger flipping robots at fast food joints, yep, that's AI too, replacing jobs that used to be done by people. So basically the pattern is clear. The jobs that are disappearing faster are the ones that involve repetitive and predictable tasks. Now, does this mean that the creative jobs are safe, or can AI come for those too? We will talk about them as well, but let's first have a look at the jobs that are at the highest risk of being taken by the machines. So I'm talking about the industries that are standing on really fragile grounds. And could AI really take over entire industries? There is a pattern and it is very clear, as I've said before. And I'm repeating it because I really want you to remember it, that the more repetitive and predictable a job is, the more chances that AI is coming for it. Okay, so moving on. Ever gotten one of those super personalized product recommendations while shopping online? That's AI at work, analyzing your preferences, predicting what you'll buy next, and even upselling you better than a human salesman. And those annoying telemarketing calls. AI-powered bots can make thousands of those calls in an hour without an awkward pause. Okay, so let's move into finance. Did you visit your bank lately? Many of them are reducing staff as more people turn to online banking and AI-powered financial advisors. From handling transactions to detecting fraud, AI is making finance faster and more automated than ever before. Millions of jobs in trucking, taxi services, and delivery could vanish with the rise of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are already testing self-driving trucks and robo-taxis. But why would companies do that? Well, because AI doesn't need stopovers and salaries. So with AI advancing so fast, are any jobs safe? Or is every career at risk of automation? I wish I had an answer to that. Okay, so we know that AI is replacing some jobs, but before you start panicking, let's talk about the flip side. And yes, this coin does have another side. You see, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones too. And some of these new careers that didn't even exist a decade ago. As AI grows more powerful, it needs humans to build it, maintain it, and most importantly, keep it in check. That means brand new job opportunities in fields that are about to explode in demand. So let's take a look at some of the hottest AI-powered careers of the future. So there's something called AI and machine learning engineers. These are the architects of AI. They design and train the systems that power everything from self-driving cars to your favorite recommendation algorithms. And trust me, companies are desperate for skilled AI engineers right now. The other job opportunity that's coming up is called the AI ethics consultants, making sure AI is used responsibly and doesn't reinforce discrimination or misinformation. Think of them as some kind of a moral compass for the AI revolution. And then of course there's AI trainers and prompt engineers. Ever wondered how AI chatbots understand what you're saying? That's thanks to AI trainers and prompt engineers. People who fine-tune AI responses to make them smarter, more accurate, and less likely to go rogue. It's basically teaching AI how to think and respond more like a human. Then there's cybersecurity analysts. As AI takes over more critical tasks, the risk of hacking and cyber threats goes way up. Because let's be honest, the last thing we need is a rogue AI in wrong hands. We've all seen those movies and we know where it can lead to. You see, the future is full of possibilities, and that's just the beginning. Robotics, automation, maintenance, data science, all these fields are set to boom as AI keeps evolving. So yeah, AI is shaking things up. But instead of just taking jobs, it's redefining work itself. So the real question is, will you be ready for the jobs of the future? Alright, so we've seen the jobs AI is replacing and the new ones it's creating. But let's get real. How do you make sure your career survives this AI revolution? The answer to that is adaptation. So AI isn't coming for everyone, but for those who refuse to adapt, because there's a high possibility that they will get left behind. See, AI might be smart, but it still can't think like a human. Skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and critical thinking, irreplaceable, at least for now. The best jobs of the future will require people who can solve problems, connect with others, and think outside the box. Because AI might be great at answering emails, but it still can't lead a team or let alone inspire people. Knowing how to work with AI instead of against it will make you way more valuable wherever you are. Now, without a doubt, AI is amazing at processing data, but it struggles with creativity and abstract thinking. The more unpredictable and creative your work is, the harder it is for AI to replace you. So if you're in a field where originality matters, then you're in luck, my friends. But still, you have to know that the job market is changing very fast. What's in demand today might be outdated tomorrow, including the jobs that I'm talking about in this video. The people who succeed in an AI-driven world will be the ones who never stop evolving. So will AI change the workforce? Absolutely, without a doubt. But will it replace everyone? Not a chance. The key is to stay ahead, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay human. So one thing we know for sure is that AI will change the job market. But remember, it's not the end of the work. History shows that technological advancements always lead to job shifts rather than mass unemployment. So instead of fearing AI, we should prepare for it by learning new skills, staying adaptable, and focusing on uniquely human strengths that machines cannot replicate. And that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share your opinion in the comment section. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.